We see gold masks and mummies and Tutankhamun's face on a museum poster. What we never see is the boring, relentless daily engineering problem sitting underneath all of it. How do you keep several million people alive, working, and not dying of heat stroke in one of the hottest inhabited places on Earth for 3,000 years with no electricity? Because that's the actual achievement. Anybody can build a big triangle if they've got enough rocks and enough time. But keeping the workforce alive long enough to finish it, that's the hard part. So today we're going through all of it. The architecture, the clothing, the beer, the salt, the wind catchers, the doctors, the beard situation. And by the end, you're going to realize something slightly uncomfortable. The Egyptians solved this problem so well that we've spent the last century solving it worse, just with more electricity. Let's go. The thing nobody tells you about Egypt. Here's the misconception baked into the question itself. We picture ancient Egyptians enduring the heat, suffering through it, grimly surviving. Like the desert was an enemy they held off by sheer willpower and stubbornness. That's wrong, and it's wrong in an interesting way. The Egyptians weren't surviving the desert. They were living in a very narrow green ribbon next to the desert, and they had spent thousands of years engineering that ribbon so thoroughly that the heat became a design parameter rather than a threat. Every single thing about Egyptian daily life, the shape of the houses, the fabric of the clothes, the timing of the workday, what you drank, when you ate, which direction your bed faced, all of it had been quietly optimized over dozens of generations to deal with one specific problem. They weren't fighting the sun. They'd made peace with it and then read the fine print very carefully. And to understand how, we need to talk about the least glamorous topic in Egyptology: sweat. You are a walking evaporation machine. Your body has exactly one serious cooling strategy, and it's water. When you get hot, you push water through your skin, and when that water evaporates, it carries heat away with it.